Welcome to Vidyarambha Academy. Our topic is types of sentences. Under this topic, we shall see first one, group A. Under this group, we shall see four types. First one is assertive. Statement or declaration means same thing it is. That begins with subject, then verb, single or group of verbs, then the other information. At last, full stop we find. So, Sejal takes a pen is one example of assertive sentence. Then comes second, imperative. Imperative means order, command, advice or request. So, it begins with first form of the verb. In English, remember, it begins with first form of the verb. So, it is infinitive without to. So, it begins with take a pen. Take a pen, other information comes after the first form. Then at last we find full stop means full point. So this construction and this construction means assertive and imperative, they have full stops at the end. Then comes interrogative means asking question. First one, subcategory, why question or verbal question, that begins with one of the 24 helping verbs. It begins with, remember, it begins with one of the 24 helping verbs, and only one helping verb should come here. One and only one. Remember this thing. So here we took example of simple present tense. Does Sejal take a pen? In continuous, it can be is Sejal taking a pen? And in perfect tense, it can be has Sejal taken a pen? This way, it may change. So answer is yes or no. So it is one question. Next one is WH question. Under this category, first word is always beginning with W or H. How, when, where, who, or H beginning how many, how much, like that. So here we are taking example of how does Sejal take a pen. How, that WH word, then one and only one helping verb out of 24 helping verbs. So here came does. Then Sejal, the subject, then take, the first form of the verb, then at last the object. So this way it became how does Sejal take a pen. Last one is exclamatory. Fourth one, exclamatory, means some expression came out of some surprise, some joy, some sorrow, like that some feeling is there. And in this category we see two words, what or how. Only two words, what or how. So here we are taking example of how sweet this apple is. So how is equivalent to very. So next word is adjective, how sweet. Then at the end we see first is subject and verb is at last. So this is what exclamatory sentence. And if we want to convert this in first assertive type of sentence, then we should begin this apple is very sweet, full stop. This way we can convert this into first one. Now remember once again, full stop, question mark, exclamation marks are at the end. Remember, you saw this video. For that, I thank you very much.